Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a stir fry vegetable. So for ingredients, let's check down below. So the vegetable that I use for today's video, I'm going to use carrots, snow pea, the black fungus, and the seafood mushroom. For the mushroom, if you want to give it change, totally up to you. So let's say this one you want to change with button mushrooms, completely up to you. You want to choose with king oyster mushrooms, that's completely up to you also. This is very interchangeable. And then for the carrots, it's a must because I like the carrots. And then for the snow pea, it's completely up to you. You can change to any vegetable that you like. For the spice, you only need two types of spice. One is garlic and the other one is ginger. For the seasoning, you will need salt, sugar, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Last but not least, for our thickening agents, I'm going to use the tapioca starch, but if you cannot find tapioca starch, you can use cornstarch or maizena. So now, let's get to cooking. So first thing first, I'm going to parboil everything. First thing that I want to parboil or blanch is the black fungus. We're going to leave it there for about a minute. So now when you see start boiling like that, so we're gonna add our carrots. And you gotta remember, whenever you put a new stuff in your boiling, it's gonna temper down the temperatures. So you gotta wait until it's reboiling it again, and we're gonna add our next item. Now when you see start reboiling it again, we're gonna add our peas. Then we're gonna wait until it reboil again. Okay, now, last but not least, we're gonna add the mushroom. So now, as you can see, it's reboiling again. So at this point, I'm gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna drain the water. Now, for our stir fry sauce, you will need about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then half teaspoon of salt. We're gonna mix this with 2 tablespoons of water. Very nice stir fry. So now, we're ready to go. All right, guys. So you want to put your oil in a pan, and then now I'm going to put the heat on the medium heat. And then now we're going to start with our spice first, which is the garlic and the ginger. We want to cook this until all the fragrance is out. And remember, you put it on a medium heat. You don't want to burn the garlic and the ginger. So when the fragrance is out, I'm going to add my veggies. At this point, I want to turn on my heat all the way up to high. And then we're going to start stir fry. After we stir fry for about 30 to 45 seconds, this is optional. Me, what I like, I'm gonna add a little bit of Shaoxing wine, like around the edges where the heart is. I'm gonna keep stir frying. And now we're gonna add our sauce. Okay, so now for thickening agents, I'm using just a 1/4 teaspoon of tapioca and then 1 tablespoon of water. But if you use the cornstarch or potato starch, you want equal amount. So I'm gonna add a little bit by a little bit. And I see it's already thicken up. I think that's enough. Now I'm gonna turn on my heat. So I already put it on the serving plate. The last step that I use, and this is optional, I'm gonna use a sesame oil. I'm just gonna drizzle it by the end when you put it on the serving plate. Just a little bit. And this is to elevate your dish. And there you go, guys. Your stir-fry vegetable is ready to serve. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.